Hi, Seward Middle School students. This is a little bit of video instruction to help you with our cell inquiry assignment. This inquiry assignment is a smaller one, kind of short and sweet, just to keep practicing that ability to ask a question, research the answer, and share what you learned. So, step 1, pick a question about cells that you generally want to know the answer to. Make sure it's not a yes or no question. It's a question that has a more involved research type question that you have to look up the answers to. Okay, you're going to submit your question to this assignment and then move on. Step number 2, research it. Take copious notes, either digitally on paper, and make sure you save your sources so you can make a bibliography. Step number 3, sketch note what you learned about your cell question. Okay, this is how you're going to share or demonstrate your learning. There is a Canvas page, a Learn assignment to help you explore sketchnoting and find more help on how to do that. We will also do some practice as a class. Step 4, make a bibliography using one of the tools that we have showed you, Ms. Logemark or I. Step 5, submit them. So I know you can do this. Ask questions along the way, use your resources on Canvas, and let's start learning.